Let's take a break. Let's see. Chris is over there on the catcher's mound. Oh wait, there it is. Let's see what we've got here. Little pan back. Here's an interesting trio. Going over the lineup, as they say. A little zoom in, zoom out. I've lost it. Julia's hair is in the way. I don't even know what's going on over there.
Okay, sorry.
Chris has a really big hole in his pants. Whoa.
Wait.
Look
at Charlie with
at Brett.
Charlie, you have a clipboard. That's fucking awesome.
Here we go.
Did you see
we
Charlie's
need the rest of the team. I do. That's kind of intense.
Shit, that's hilarious.
Those three are in deep discussion. We're just waiting for the opening cheer now, and this game can get started. This is the competition. This guy is pretty intense. I was watching him do sprinting drills earlier. And we have that guy who's in sandals, not too serious. And that's all I can show you.
He scores. Just put an X through the whole box. Alright, and then total for runs. You guys are visitors, so first and second. Just put the total for runs. Alright?
Here is the Motley Crew. Who's out? Who's batting? What's that guy doing? Oh, Aaron, yes. Here we go. Oh, look at that supportive. Whoa, high kick. Oh, whoa, what happened? I don't know what that means. But it looks like she's on base. Okay, next person. Oh, Brett. Oh no, Aaron was not on base. That was not true. Here we go. We'll get the long shot of Brett. Oops, and I missed the action. Oh, yeah! No way! Back in the game, all right. Oh, I don't. Ouch. Oh, team captain who has a rip in his pants.
Come on, you people, you're so good.
Yeah, the rip's so huge. Oh, I didn't like it. I'm gonna turn this off. Oh, all right. Oh, Domage. Oh. Oh, it's a trade.